There are two ways to pass a urine drug test. The first is to mask any metabolites in the urine. This can be done successfully on the day of the test. The second way is to clean any marijuana metabolites from the system completely. But this process will take at least 7 days. Either way works well, and we're going to tell you about methods for both of them. How to pass a drug test the same day. To start with, you need to understand how drug testing works. Put simply, drug tests work by detecting THC metabolites in the urine. Now, the standard cutoff level of a drug test is 50 nanograms per milliliter. This means that if the concentration of the metabolites is below the cutoff level, the test won't detect it. So what you need to do is to lower the concentration of metabolites below the cutoff level. But you'll also need to keep the urine-specific gravity and creatinine levels in the normal range. If they're out of the normal range, then your urine sample will be rejected as diluted. Method 1. Dilution and aspirin. For this method, you'll need electrolyte powder. This helps keep the specific gravity of the urine within the normal range. Creatine ethyl ester supplement. This helps to keep the creatinine levels within the normal range. Vitamin B2 or B12 supplement. This gives urine its natural color. Aspirin. Research shows that taking aspirin before a drug test can produce a false negative. The instructions for this method. Take 2 aspirin tablets around 4 to 6 hours before the test. 3 hours before the test, take the following 2 things: 10 grams of creatine ethyl ester supplement and 200 milligrams of vitamin B2. Then drink 1 liter of electrolyte solution every hour for 3 hours before the test. Finally, take a home urine test before you go to the test center. Method 2. Fast Marijuana Detox Kit. This is a safe and perfectly legal same-day solution to pass a drug test. It's a complex mixture that combines diuretic with the correct amount of chemicals and compounds to make your urine look natural. It's not detectable by labs and actually comes with a money-back guarantee. The Fast Detox Kit starts working in 90 minutes and stays effective for up to 5 hours. It already has a lot of positive reviews. To get this kit, just follow the link in the description. Now let's look at how to get weed out of your system permanently. Firstly, what you need to know is that THC is highly fat soluble. That means that it gets trapped in the fat cells of the body. From the fat cells, THC is then released into the blood. From the blood, part of the THC travels to the kidneys and urine, and another part returns to the fat cells. Natural detoxification involves getting rid of any THC stored in the fat reserves. This can take from a few weeks to several months. The length of time it takes depends on a few factors. Number 1, the person's body fat percentage. Number 2, the amount of weed consumed. And 3, the time of usage. People with a fast metabolism, low body mass index, or occasional smokers will be able to get rid of the THC from their body faster. So permanent marijuana detox is more or less a fat loss program. Additionally, you'll still need to follow a proper diet and exercise regularly. Method 1. Drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Water helps to accelerate the removal of metabolites from your system. Maintain calorie intake. The average woman needs 1,500 calories a day to lose 1 pound of weight per week. The average man needs to eat 2,000 calories a day to lose 1 pound of weight per week. Eat leafy greens and salad. Substituting high-calorie ingredients with fruits and vegetables adds volume to your dishes without adding calories. Adding lemon juice to warm water increases weight loss by promoting digestion and boosting the rate of metabolism. Say no to junk food and red meat. Junk food is always packed with unnecessary calories. Eat healthy fiber. It acts as a natural suppressant by reducing your appetite. Exercise regularly. This forces your body to use up calories and burn more fat. But with this method, avoid exercising for 2 days before the test. Take 10 grams of activated charcoal 3 times a day. This will help to remove metabolites from your body. Method 2. Use Premium 7-Day Detox Kit. The kit will help you be clean forever in just 7 days. It cleanses all urine, blood, and saliva from any traces of weed. It's legal, safe, and not detectable by the labs. The kit includes a 7-day lifestyle management plan by a team of nutritionists to improve health and wellness. It includes an exclusive jumpstart that can be used as a 1-hour emergency flush. To get this kit, just follow the link in the description. So, to round everything up, if you're looking to pass a drugs test and you want something that's proven to work, look into the above products. For a same-day solution, use the Fast Detox Kit. To remove drug traces over a 7-day period, use Premium 7-Day Detox Kit.